GOEV stock analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. We're sitting at 8 cents and it is 5.8% down. We cannot incorporate it. I'm just going to kind of zoom out and just kind of show you the overall view on this. It's not that I'm just kind of surprised that this thing is going down, because I'm the guy going down with it, you know, like I was bearish like previously here. I mean, context, I've done 33,000 videos, so I've seen what has worked for me, what has not, and specifically with GOEV, man, I'm yet to see like a clean breakup in order for me to start thinking of this as a bullish market. Actually, if you ask me, but when are you going to be bullish, Mr. Sicko? I'll answer if the price starts breaking above 13 to 14 cents, because that's the range that we have right now. Obviously, you want to see more like the now we're going to see new lows being made, so stay tuned. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.